Hey guys, so we just got here. The family's pretty much tired from all the driving that we did. Yeah, I got a Airbnb, booked it for about 2 nights. We are staying at, it's like 15 minutes away from downtown New Orleans, and I'll give you guys a street view of where we're staying. So as you can see, yeah, it's pretty much a quiet town. So yeah, all the houses here are pretty legit. You know, they got all this colorful French touch to it. Yeah, if you guys have the chance to go here and visit, make sure to pay attention to those houses too. It's pretty what you call this, amazing how they created their houses. So yeah guys, we're on our way to Fogo de Chao. It's kind of like my dad's birthday, and yeah, it's kind of like a family lunch thing. So guys, we're here right now at Fogo de Chao. How's the food, Steve?
10 out of 10. Would go again.
How's the food, Dad?
Very good, tasty.
Very good.
Very good restaurant.
How about?
Perfect.
Perfect.
For the gram. Look at that.
So it's my dad's birthday.
Yeah.
So happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday.
I may, not yet, but I hope I make it.
Any life advice?
Yeah. Live long and prosper.
So,
We're in Noah.
what? So, how do you describe New Orleans so far, SD?
One word. Awesome.
You like the food?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
What's your favorite food so far?
Probably the salmon, and probably the mashed
And the
banana. So then we're just heading to French Quarters and Jackson Square. Jackson Square. We have to go look around. So yeah, see you guys there.
It's kind of busy for today.
We got Mardi Gras.
Yeah, we got some Mardi Gras stuff on our neck. See those guys on their segways? Yeah. So we're on our way to the French Quarter and Jackson Square. So yeah, we're excited. It's like our first time.
Yep.
First time. So.
Hello.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna update you guys once we get there. All right. Guys, we just arrived here at Jackson Square. Right there. You see that New Orleans was the capital a long time ago. There's a bunch of street shows over there. So we're right here right now, sitting down at Jackson Square. Everybody's tired, just tired from walking.
Yes.
Take a break.
Taking a break. Taking a break.
Charge up.
Charge up.
Gotta charge up.
Millennials on their phone.
No, she's a millennial, not me.
Millennial. Guys, we're going to the Louisiana State Museum, so I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So guys, now we are in the Mardi Gras section of the museum.
We are now in the Mardi Gras section.
Look at that, guys. All the parades. Whoa, check this out. So yeah, pretty much a bunch of costumes for the parade. So sorry guys, I was catching my breath because the stairs was like super high. So, but anyway, yeah, it's pretty lit. Very colorful, as you guys can see. Guys, check this out. It looks like the royal jewels, the crown jewels, but you know, New Orleans style. Guys, this museum is pretty big. I think, well, it's Louisiana State Museum, I think, right? If you guys have the time, make sure you guys visit this museum. Look at this open space. Hey mom.
Hi.
What are you looking at?
Oh, the card reader?
The card reader? the fortune tellers?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. See? There's a view outside. Look at this open space though. You could set up a gym here if you guys want. Yeah, you guys work out. Yeah, so yeah. I think it's time for some coffee. Guys, this is Canal Street. It's like the main intersection, the main street here in downtown New Orleans. You get all kinds of shops and restaurants pretty much, so yeah.
I know this road I'm walking, well, it's the only road that's mine. Oh, sometimes.
Hey guys, we're here at Cafe Du Monde, and I'm with my mom. You know, she's actually my sister.
Hello.
We gotta play some HQ trivia first before we eat our food. So we just ordered 2 orders of donuts, right? And some coffee. So we're gonna give it a try. Make sure when you guys go to this place, bring cash because they don't accept cards or anything like that. So yeah. So guys, the famous donuts and coffee has arrived. So take a look at that. Let me give a coffee a sip. Pretty good.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the car.
What?
So guys, we made a pit stop at IHOP. We're on our way back to Florida.
Yep.
Look at all the deadly food.
Killer food. We gotta prepare for the long ride.
Yep. It's a 4-hour drive.
Yes.
You ready?
Ready.
So guys, that's the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy, our trip to New Orleans. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Give it a thumbs up if you think it's worth it. Please subscribe to this channel for more travel videos. And yeah, see you guys on my next vlog. All right? Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah.
Baliktad.
Wala pa yung food mo eh.
Guys, this place.